over 2 amps direct current. Now your multimeter may be a little different, but at the end of the day, this is a setting that you need to be at. So here is the rear fuse. The front fuse is underneath the hood. I need to know where these are because if I do have a parasitic draw, I'm going to need to pull each fuse to see which one is causing it. So now I have my multimeter set. Before I disconnect the battery, I need to make sure that my doors are closed, my keys are out of the ignition, and all my accessories are off. In my case, that is true. So I'm going to disconnect the negative. And the reason I'm going to be dealing with the negative lead is because I do not want to risk shorting out my vehicle. If I do it with the positive and I have one of the leads from the multimeter touch ground, I could potentially short out my vehicle. Disconnect it. Alright, so we're about to start testing. So you can see I took the positive of the multimeter lead and placed it in the negative terminal of the battery, and the negative lead of the multimeter, I'm going to touch it with the negative lead of the vehicle. It doesn't matter how you do it. I could put the black where the red is and the red where the black is. It's still going to work. Alright, so let's touch it. Now you might have to have it sit for a little bit. Sometimes it's going to have a little bit of an amperage going. Right now you see it's just slightly under 1 amp. Wait a little bit longer. And then it'll drop again. So open up my door, leave it open, and try it again. And you can see it's well over 1. Okay. And even after it does all of its routines, it's still going to be over 50 milliamps. And the reason that is currently is because we're doing a simulation because we have the door open. That's pretty much how you do that. Now again, if you do have it over 50 milliamps, right, and you wait a little bit and it's not dropping down to, you know, close to 0, what you're going to do is just go through and pull all the fuses and then figure out which one is doing the draw.